Number 3, destiny. Self-expression is your keynote. The sparkle in EFFERVESCENCE you generate wherever you go bolsters the morale of anyone feeling a bit low. This, plus the fact that you are very sociable and entertaining to be around, helps you to win friends quite easily. With the exception of the rare individual who does not understand you or perhaps feels envy, most people enjoy your company and treasure your friendship. You do realize that life is not all fun and games, and though you enjoy them as much as anyone, you see things clearly and do not waste time or energy on the unreal or ridiculous. Intelligence and a very keen mind are your 2 great assets. Use them well. You learn easily and quickly anything that catches your fancy, but once the knowledge is stored, you go on to other things rather than delve into them deeply. This versatility has been the foundation of the many talents you possess.
Ring, ring, ring. Ring. Ring, ring, ring. Ring, ring, ring.
I should have put my phone on Do Not Disturb. I'm going to do it next time. Okay. This versatility has been the foundation of the many talents you possess, which make it problematic at times to decide just what it is you wish to impress. Enthusiasm reigns for a time, and you manage to transmit this excitement to others. Then suddenly your interest changes, and you quickly go on to something else. You are used to and enjoy getting things your own way and doing exactly as you please. What will be is your motto, and you don't worry too much about tomorrow. This is fine, as long as you don't become so unconcerned that you neglect doing the things you should. With your quick wit, the words you choose may make you seem a bit too critical of other people and their opinions, and you must watch it. You could easily hurt unintentionally those you love. Wit is an asset when used strictly in a humorous sense, and you have been bestowed with a finely honed sense of humor that keeps you and yours always jolly. Words and your clever way of using them stand you in great stead in any field where oratory is necessary. You should succeed in any of these areas without much effort on your part. Language and its use is like food to your soul. You thrive on intellectual pursuits and like to pass on what you've learned to others who are less knowledgeable. Music, dance, and the arts are very important to you. Your greatest happiness is in loving and being loved. It is an absolute necessity for you to be emotionally involved. Because of this great need for love, you are apt to be a very good mate, always adoring, always ready to forgive, as long as your mate shows you the affection you crave. You must not let this love become too overpowering or try to dominate the relationship, because it could lose you for you all that you seek. Sex is extremely important to you, and many of your relationships will be based on that alone. Use your many talents to bring joy wherever you go and in every relationship. Cultivate new associations continually and always be cheerful and affable, as is your wont. Your life will be a happy one if you live up to your destiny. On the negative side, don't allow sexual desires to negate your common sense or cause you to be promiscuous. Vanity and a tendency toward wasting yourself and your talents is a danger, as is a lackadaisical, who cares attitude. So beware.